Hi guys, I come back again and I was doing some soldering, so I thought we introduce some nice tool for you. See, this is the best hand-free tool for solderings, and a lot of things it can do, but it really does help for the soldering. And then the one I have, this one here, MR jig, is amazing. Just like, you know, this, if you want to solder this, you have to do, you know, you can put it this way on sides and drop, but basically even this one here, have a look, you just, this one is a good, because for this adapter is not good though, so you can use this one. I like to use this one for this way. I'll show you this one also. And see, always remember, when you do your speed controller soldering and all this stuff, make sure put all the connector for all your motor same. So see, this is, so what it does, I use all 3.5, is kind not bad, you know, for the big model pen or small, is give you help. So I do kind of always select the proper. So if I have to swap this speed controller to the other motor, I don't have to all the soldering. So always, so what I do, see, this is the like a 1.2 or 2.5, I don't know, it's very tiny, so I cannot use for this one. So if I put for this one same, I can't work it out. So what I do, I put all the same connector for my all the plane and model plane. What it does, make life easier. So let's start and do it. And after all, I'll just close this for you so you can see my hand. Alright, so watch this way. I'll even turn a little bit for you. I'm just doing for you guys because you can see it what I'm doing it. Alright, hey, come on baby, give them a little bit focus. Yeah, see, I'm just like that. Okay, hold there at the moment because I want to do, you guys want to see that as well. So how easy to see this one to do it. Watch, take your shoulder liner out and you just poke in there. You hold this, so now see, we did the solder, how simple and easy. And then what you do, just a little bit to cool down, and take the top, hang on, I'll take the first bottom out, it's a little bit hard, take this out, and you can see it, how beautifully it has done, even better than this, you know, because what will happen when you hold this, in this too, you have to poke your hand. You're not a hand free, it's totally hand free tool, and this is an amazing job. You can see I can do this one within, oh, a little bit hot guys, sorry, ow, I have to put this one up so you know it doesn't. Okay, so you can put this one. I have to cut a little bit, I hadn't done this properly, look like not good job, but I'll cut later on. Okay, so, and then you can use your lighter. I mean, this is tiny one, so it's okay. So have a look guys, this hand-free tool is a great job. You can use for a lot of things, but especially I do use for the soldering. And I can keep going for you, and you keep watching how the easy these things work. So see, one done, we get to the next one again. We put the heat shrink in, and then you can hold this and you can try to make something, you know. Alright, we go a little bit turned for you guys for fun, so you can see exactly. Now you can should do, man. Come on, buddy, give me something to show them. Alright, well, yeah, we'll have a look. I think should do. Okay, so you can see what I'm doing it. Just try to show you guys so you don't get confused with these things. Okay, put this one here inside a watch like that. Make sure put on the sides, because you know you need to do some job to do. Okay, I'm just doing this way because you can see it. Alright, see, you can do this way. Your speed controller, hold on it, put it all together, a little bit loose, tie it up. Now see how easy I can fix this. You can do, go front and you just put in here. You don't need any, trust me, just hold on in the air to settle down inside. A little bit more. Trust me guys, you don't need any skill to do this job. You know, in the beginning I was really frustrating and find this tool, and it does make different, you know, it does make different. It's easy and great. You can see I will do another one. I'll just try to show you. Here we go, a little bit more. So have a look, we got this one is done. Okay, watch how you can do this easy way. Alright, this one here. Okay, now we have to watch. Don't get panic, it's an amazing thing. Alright, put in the red. Alright, we'll do this one a little bit other way around. We have to do it look like. Alright, lose this. Watch guys, watch. This is the best thing ever. I find this tool to do it. Put this a plus. Come on, tie it up, man. There we go. Oops, something going wrong here guys, sorry.